Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Jetta windshield wiper motor. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools ready, including various wrenches and a trim removal kit. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal. Then, gently remove the wiper arms and the plastic cowl cover to access the components underneath. Now, let's get to the motor itself. You'll need to locate and unbolt the entire wiper transmission assembly, which often comes out as one unit. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the motor. It's a good idea to take a quick picture or make a mental note of how the motor is mounted to ensure proper reinstallation later.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Speaking of keeping things running smoothly, how about keeping your home spotless too? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description below for the link and other amazing deals. Now let's get back to the video.
With the assembly out, you can now unscrew the old wiper motor from its mounting bracket. Once removed, take your new motor and securely mount it in the exact same position. Double-check that it's fastened tightly. Finally, carefully reconnect all the electrical wiring to the new motor, ensuring each connection is snug and secure. It's time to put everything back together. Reinstall the wiper transmission assembly and then the plastic cowl cover. Next, attach the wiper arms, making sure they are in their correct resting position on the windshield. Before you hit the road, reconnect your battery and thoroughly test the new motor's function to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.